Hello everyone, welcome to the Mathematics Enthusiast channel. And in the previous shorts, I had told you how to make a perfect square out of a quadratic expression. And in this part, you can say it is a continuation of the previous one. I'm taking this quadratic function once more, quadratic expression. And today we will get to know how to find the range of this. So what we have to do first, there are two methods. Okay, I will discuss both of them. First is method one. We can use the previous perfect square method. So I hope you know how to convert it into a perfect square. So first take 5 common and then make the coefficient of x square. Basically we want to make the coefficient of x square to 1. So we have taken 5 common here. So x square plus 4 by 5x plus 1. Now what we will do, we will write 1x. Alright, I will tell you logic behind it later. Plus we'll divide this coefficient of x by 2, so it will become 2 by 5, and then we will put a whole square on this whole part. So when we open it separately, we get x square plus 4 by 25 plus 4 by 5x. So we'll observe that this part we have got this, but instead of 4 by 25 we want 1. So what we'll do, we'll subtract 4 by 25 from here and we'll add 1. So final expression, and don't forget to add 5 over here. So final expression we have got, which is 5 x plus 2 by 5 whole square plus 21 by 25. So how this can be used to get a range? So we know that any square function which is a, this is always greater than or equal to 0. So similarly we can say that when x belongs to real number, x plus 2 by 5 whole square is greater than or equal to 0, and we add 21 by 25 both sides. So we are getting x plus 2 by 5 whole square plus 21 by 25 is greater than or equal to 21 by 25, and then we multiply both side by 5. Okay, because multiplying by a positive number does not affect the inequality, so this cancels out and we are left with this whole expression. Let this be y, so y is greater than or equal to 21 by 5. Therefore the range of this function will be 21 by 5 to infinity. So this is the first method. And then the second method. Okay, let me tell you the second method. So here the method 2. In method 2, if you know some things about the graph of a quadratic expression, how to draw it. Okay, in the later videos I'll tell you how to draw the graph. So this is our expression. Okay, I will draw here the graph, and I will make a separate video on how to make a quadratic graph. So now those who know how to make this graph, so here we know that the discriminant of it is coming negative, because this 4 square is 16 minus 5 into 5 is 25 into 400. So 16 minus 100 is coming a negative number, and the coefficient of x is positive, so it will be above the x-axis. Then it will be like this one. So its graph will be something like this. Okay, means it has got a somewhat flat over here, but it's not the flat. So what we can say, that it is cutting here at 0, 0,5. All right, and we can find this minimum value. How? This value we get by, this is minus b by 2a comma 0. Okay, so we can put the values over here, and this value is minus d by 4a, which is 0 comma minus d by 4a. This is a coordinate. So now we can substitute a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 5 over here. And discriminant, this is known as, d is known as the discriminant, which is root of b square minus 4ac. Sorry, this is not root. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we can find it over here, which is 16 minus 4 into 25 into 5 into 5. 5 by 25 into 4 is 100. 16 minus 100 minus 84. So now we can find the minimum value over here, which is minus d by 4a, which is 84 by 4 into a is 5. So this cancel out. This is 84 by, we have written like this. this cancels out in 21, so we are left with 21 by 5. So here this point I am writing over here, there's a 0 comma 21 by 5, and we know that the quadratic will take the value, every value of y above this. So we can say that the whole y-axis above this line comes in the range of this expression. So we can say the final range is, again we are getting the same answer, which is, so this is the final range. And I hope you understood how to get this, and in the later videos I will tell how to draw a graph of this quadratic expression. It is very simple, okay, but I want to make this video shorter. So this was the problem of the day, and if you have any problems which you want me to solve, then you may comment in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video as far as possible. Thank you so much.